Bruxism, or teeth grinding, is one of the most damaging forms of dental disorders. This condition is usually difficult to detect in the early stages, as the patient is completely oblivious of this habit. It leads to clenching and grinding of the teeth, along with extreme jaw movements. You can suffer facial pain due to the clenching, clamping the top and bottom teeth together. This stressful act puts pressure on the muscles, tissues, and the areas around the jaw. It can lead to serious problems like jaw joint disorders, jaw pain, headaches, earaches, damaged teeth, and many others. This continuous form of grinding damages the teeth completely. This condition is very common among children, but it is not only restricted to them. It is a very common problem among people with fibromyalgia syndrome. The teeth clenching and teeth grinding may lead to temporomandibular joint dysfunction, also known as TMJ. And by the way, if you want to know which are the most powerful remedies growing in your state, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below this video. And here are some home remedies for bruxism. Number 1. Before retiring to bed, you can chew on an apple, cauliflower, or carrot. This will calm your overactive mouth and prevent grinding. Number 2. To relax your jaw muscles, use a warm washcloth around the sides of your face. Continue doing this for some time. This will relax the clenched muscles that cause head pain. Do it before bedtime to benefit even more. Number 3. Be relaxed and avoid stress by taking warm baths and massages. Massage your neck muscles, shoulders, and face to relax peacefully. Stress-relieving exercises should help you unwind. Squeeze a tennis ball. It may come in handy to get rid of the stress. Number 4. Sleeping on your side or stomach may increase your chances of bruxism. The best position to sleep is on your back, and this reduces stress. Number 5. Use a contoured pillow if you can't sleep on your back. Place the contoured pillow under your face and the ordinary pillow between your arms. Sleeping in this position reduces the strain on your jaw and neck and prevents you from rolling over onto your face. Number 6. Avoid consumption of alcohol, as it inadvertently affects your sleep and increases the movement of your jaw, which causes clenching. Cut down also on caffeine and carbohydrates like candy and pastries. Number 7. Try acupressure. It may help you relax for a good night's sleep, thus avoiding any incidents of teeth clenching or grinding. I would also like to mention that if you want to discover the forgotten power of plants, you should take a second and check out the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.